I'm somewhere in the middle.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be shopping at Booty By Brabants. They are an online, mostly activewear company started by Kelly Brabants. She's from the Boston area, but they do have a couple of pop-up shops. So I'm going to the one, it just opened at Prudential right in downtown Boston. I've never tried on their stuff in person, like at a pop-up. So I'm really excited to see the different fabrics because I have a few items from them, but it's like hard to compare. So I'm really excited to go. So let's go check it out.
I'm somewhere in the middle. Try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff.
Alright, so I'm home and you know I have to show you what I got. So I did get one outfit. I wanted everything, obviously, but I tried to be good. So I ended up getting this really pretty Croco set. So this is the sports bra, you just saw me in it. And then the leggings, I decided to get the cropped ones. I feel like the length on them is a little bit better. I feel claustrophobic in leggings that are full length, so these I thought were super nice, and they're actually a little less expensive, honestly. So it was $125 for the whole set, and I realized that I like the Croco a lot because it has a little bit more support, like it's a little bit more compression, and they also come up higher. So the regular, I guess, is like medium waist, and then the Croco is high-waisted. So I also really liked where the Croco hit on my belly. So I'm really excited to wear these. They're great for any kind of workout, but I especially am excited for like a leg day. I feel like that would be super fun. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is obviously not sponsored or anything. I just love showing you activewear, and I love introducing you to new brands, and the fact that this is Boston based, you know, Boston girl gotta support. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed for more, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.
I gotta go.